Hello friends, welcome my YouTube channel. I am Suresh. Okay, I am going to discussing about another important named reaction, that is open air oxidation reaction. Okay, this is the open air oxidation reaction. In this reaction, I give a definition, a reaction, and its mechanism. Okay, now I am going to discussing about definition of open air oxidation reaction. Definition: simply, what is the open air oxidation reaction? Simply, alcohols are converted into ketones in the presence of aluminum isopropoxide and acetone. Then this reaction is known as open air oxidation reaction. Now coming to the reaction of open air oxidation reaction, this is the definition. Please note down this definition. Now we are going to reaction of open air oxidation reaction. What is the reaction? See, simply open air oxidation reaction nothing but alcohols are converted into ketones in the presence of aluminum isopropoxide and acetone. That is the reaction. Simply alcohols are, that is secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is treated with aluminum isopropoxide. This is the aluminum isopropoxide. And acetone. This is the acetone. Then it is form a ketone. This is the ketone and this is the alcohol. Alcohols are converted into ketones in the presence of aluminum isopropoxide and acetone. This reaction is known as open air oxidation reaction. Okay, this is the definition and this is the reaction. Please note down this definition and reaction. Okay, now coming to the mechanism of open air oxidation reaction. Mechanism: in this open air oxidation reaction mechanism, initially we can take secondary alcohol which is treated with aluminum isopropoxide aluminum isopropoxide aluminum isopropoxide okay. In this mechanism, initially you can take secondary alcohol which is treated with aluminum isopropoxide. Then here in the secondary alcohol, oxygen having a lone pair of electrons. This lone pair of electrons attacking this aluminum atom. Secondary alcohol which is treated with aluminum isopropoxide. Now here this lone pair of electrons which is treated with aluminum. Now this type of reaction is formed. See this reaction: O bond aluminum, OCH CH3 twice, another OCH CH3 twice, again OCH CH3 twice. Okay, here this is H and this is H. Here having a positive charge and aluminum having a negative charge. Here this OCH CH3 twice is removed now, and here in this hydrogen is removed because of oxygen having a valency is 2 and aluminum having a valency is 3. So here isopropyl alcohol is removed. this type of reaction is takes place. OCH CH3 twice, and here also OCH CH3 twice. Okay, this type of reaction is formed, and here in this type of reaction which is treated with acetone CH3 double bond O. This oxygen having a lone pair of electrons, and this lone pair of electrons which is treated with this lone pair of electrons which is treated with this aluminum atom, and which is treated, and it forms this type of reaction, that is R bond CH, R bond H bond O, aluminum, okay. Here this oxygen and double bond CH3 and CH3, then this oxygen having a positive charge, and here in this reaction this bond is migration here. At a time this proton, here this bond is migration here, it creates a carbocation intermediate, then this proton is migration takes place attacking this carbon, and okay, and this bond is migration here at a time. Now it forms our required product ketone is formed here, and remaining product, that is aluminum isopropoxide, is formed. Okay, this is the byproduct, and this is our required product ketone. This is the remaining product. Here this H CH CH3 CH3 CHO CH3 CH3 formed here. Here OCH CH3 twice, OCH CH3 twice, OCH CH3 twice. This is the aluminum isopropoxide. Remaining is takes place. Remaining reagent is remains same. Here, okay, once again I can explain this mechanism of open-air oxidation reaction. Secondary alcohol, initially you can take in this mechanism secondary alcohol which is treated with aluminum isopropoxide, then it forms this type of reaction, and it forms and in this reaction which removes alcohol, isopropyl alcohol will be removed, and it forms this type of reaction. This reaction which is treated with acetone, this oxygen having lone pair of electrons attacking this aluminum atom, and it forms this type of reaction. Here this lone pair attacking this aluminum, it forms this type of reaction, and this bond is migration here, and it forms this type of reaction. Carbocation is intermediate, it creates at that time this proton attacking this H minus, that is nucleophile attacking this carbocation, and it forms this reaction, it forms our required product ketone is formed, and remaining product, that is remains same, that is aluminum isopropoxide is remains same in this reaction. Okay, finally secondary alcohol is converted into ketone. Alcohols are converted into ketone, that is open-air oxidation reaction. This is the mechanism of open-air oxidation reaction. Okay, I hope you can understand this mechanism, mainly very important this mechanism. I hope you can understand this mechanism and the definition and reaction.